Reliance, in the market, it is like a divided opinion. Half of them will believe Reliance like nobody's business, and half of them will never have a commitment at all. That is the kind of business that is. So while that said, Reliance has given tons of money for every kind of investor, trader, investor, long term. Everybody has made money, and it has been giving consistently. Ranking for Reliance earnings is 45.5. It will be shocking why this company is having such low ranking and it is just flying. We'll come to that. Price rank is 87. I put caution there. There is something not good in this stock. Sales was up till December 18. After that, sales is taken a downhill. Even now, it is not improved. Profit has been up due to margins and other income. These are actually what people call as red flags for us. Only through margins, if company is making profit. Suppose you are putting a circle. On the circle, one dot is profit. If you keep on increasing that dot bigger and bigger, at some level, it will hit the brim. Then after that, nothing is possible. Sales has to improve, then profit has to come. That is the best way of doing things. When sales is not improving, if you keep on churning and making profits, how much we can cut down salaries, how much we can cut down raw material. Slowly, what will happen? They'll go into lower quality, and all those things will result in bad business and other incomes not related to the main business. That is also not good for the business. So both these things, it's a very very big caution that is there in the stock. FII's investment has ticked up. This is because a lot of money has come inside, and some of them have also taken stake in the company. Direct reliance. Otherwise, whatever money came is some arrangement that's been done. So all other investors are shying away apart from FIIs. So this is again one big surprise. When the stock has gone up 200% from March lows, still investor interest is very low in this. Mostly all trading is there. Delivery looks like lower delivery, and people whoever take delivery also they are selling it very fast. So conviction on the stock is as it is. We can see that I think about last 1.5 months the stock has been struggling at the higher levels to move up because fundamentally there is no support, and don't know how things will be there. As of now, 200% from March lows. There is no connection between the fundamentals and the price, just only expectation. Only that we should pray this should not trip, because this company is 14 lakh plus crores on market capitalization today. If something goes seriously wrong in this company, India will get into trouble. So should pray that Reliance should not get hit into some problems. While the way things are going, investing, we have doubts. While that said, trading, beautiful opportunity. Every time there will be, even now as the stock is going down, next upside there is going to be a trade. So those who know to trade, they can keep making money both side, up and down. That is the advantage with this stock. Huge liquidity, opportunities every time. But a person should be very very careful, very smart. So I put one image, Monty Banks play safe. That was like it's gone to a top. From there, if it falls, damage will be very very high. Um, Again, this thought maybe many people will not accept. I don't know, when I publish this video, there will be thousands of comments hitting me. Thoughts and ideas that we have on Reliance. There is no recommendation to buy or sell the stock. There is an opportunity that is coming up. Please do your homework, do your judgment, take decisions, and take position. Um, while this is a stock which continuously will give returns because of the huge liquidity and opportunities that it creates. So that is for Reliance, a stock that needs to be traded with caution.